Hi, welcome back to my channel Bhasha Second Innings. Today, let me share with you the data of accidents that took place between 2014 and 2017 in India. There were 8,004 industrial accidents that took place in these 3 years, out of which 4,222 are related to the machine operation. Means here the safety of the machine operator is very important, because the data shows that more than 50% of the accidents are due to machine operation. Now let us see one by one what are all the factors that are contributing to the accident during machine operation. First and foremost thing is that of the health of the operator. If the health of the operator is not suitable to work in that work, that means he has got some physically or mental illness. Physical illness means some fever, or he had got hurt and he is having some headache or some other physical issues. Then it is not advisable for him to work on that day. He would have taken the rest for that day. Second, the mental. Mental means there will be a stress. He will be having some commitments like school fees, like he is constructing the house and he has to work here, so he is investing the money in the construction of the house, but remaining time he is in the work. That makes him to think about that what is going on my side, whether they will work properly. I had given them so much money, I have taken the loan, etc. So all such kind we can go and tell. Such things, if any operator is having, it is better that operator should talk to that concerned department head or the supervisor, and he should get a different type of work, like either working on computers or an inspection or a lighter job where the accident will not take place, or he should take leave for all this period where he is required to be present physically in other work than the day-to-day industrial work. The second thing we can say is the work environment. The work environment is the light. The minimum light required should be provided to the operator, and the operator should able to see what is going on. If the poor light is there, and this will also be a cause of the accident. Second is the atmosphere. If the atmosphere is dusty or smoky or very hot, that may also lead to an accident. Second, and the third is the unsafe act. In unsafe act, there are mostly people will go for the shortcut. Shortcut means, suppose if a cycle has to complete, only when the door will open, only when the cycle is completed. But the operator, because he want to complete the work before say in a shorter time, like 4 to 5 hours, and he will make that door will keep always open, and he will make the loading and unloading. In that case, the machine bypass of the safety system will lead to the accident. So such kind of unsafe acts also to be prevented. And unsafe condition. Unsafe condition means whatever the safety alarm or whatever the other safety things, that are all failure, and operators has been asked to work on that with the failure, knowingly that the safety system is not working, still he has to work. Then the basic design of the machine means the operator have to load from one side, unload from the other side, inspect on some distance from the machine. So all this movement and also the ergonomics, these are also the factors which will lead to the accident of the operator. Ergonomics is also playing a very important role in prevention of the accident. By Ergonomics is how the operator have to work for the 8 hours. His movements of hand, legs, whether he has to stand all the 8 hours or he is sitting in a sitting position, what height he has to sit, and the loading and unloading, whether his hands are going above his head for loading or very low, he has to bend every time so that there will be a problem of fulcrum effect on his back. All these things will lead to the accident. And after ergonomics, it is the layout. Layout, if the machine's layout is not proper, means if for the movement or if other people, there are a lot of people are moving around the machine for various other reasons, and the operator is disturbed from time to time, there may also be a problem of accident. Then the machine maintenance. Machine maintenance is to be done as per the machine catalog or the manufacturer's instructions. So if the machine maintenance is not done and operator has to work, he may have to work, say instead of just pushing the tool, he has to use the hammer. So by using the hammer, he may be hurting his fingers or hands, something like that. So such kind of things are to be prevented. Proper maintenance of the machines are to be done to prevent the accident. And finally, whenever some automation were taking place, operators should be involved completely. And whatever the portion of the automation, the operators should be well versed with that automation, because lot of automatic machines are coming without proper training. People are getting hurt in that automation machines. So these are all the factors affecting the machines, and the data also shows that the highest number of casualties and the accidents are taking place during machine operation. So all the machine operators should take note of this. They should also learn by themselves. It is the high time. They cannot depend upon the supervisors or managers, and they have to learn about the machine before even starting. They should, if any doubt, they should call their supervisors and the managers, get it cleared, and so work safe and prevent the accidents to happen. Thank you very much for listening. If you like my video, subscribe and share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.